How to save invisible username in Discord 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your username invisible on Discord. So first of all, you need to open the Discord app or log into a web browser and sign into your Discord account. And after that, as you can see, this is my Discord account, and you have to just click on here and see the username is given here of this profile. You just have to click on edit profile and just write a dot, and after that you have to click on save changes. And after clicking on save changes, as you can see, my username is not showing right this moment. So that's how you can make your username invisible on Discord. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.